Hi Year 2, welcome back to another week of maths learning. This week we'll be learning all about division. So today we are specifically going to be looking at using arrays for division using the 2, 5 and 10 times tables. So first of all, your starter is, can you share 20 oranges between 5 families? Okay, you have 5 groups on your worksheet so that you can put the oranges into those 5 groups to represent the 5 families. Pause this video while you have a go at that, and then we will talk through how that is done. Okay, let's have a look. So if you have 20 oranges and you're going to share between 5 families, all of those 5 families should have equal groups, okay? And in those equal groups, you'll find that you have 4 oranges for every group or every family. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So well done if you got that correct, you two. Right, we are now going to move on to showing groups of 2. So I'm going to explain this one to you. It's not on your worksheet, but I'm going to use it as an example before you have a go on your own. So let's have a look at this array. It's an array of frogs, and altogether there are 20 frogs. Okay, but we would like to show groups of 2 little frogs. So how we're going to do this is we're going to circle the groups of 2. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal groups. And how many in each group? There are 2 in each group. So that is how we can simply show that we are sharing into equal groups. Okay, we have shared equally the 20 frogs and we've put them into 2 in a group. Okay, so our division number sentence would look like this: 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Okay, 20 divided by 2 equals 10 because we have shared them into 2 groups, and then we have 10. So your task is to show groups of 2. So the first one is here, we have 10, and you're going to divide it by 2 to show how many are in a group. And then you have 6 and 12 to divide into groups of 2. And then your next 3, you are going to show groups of 5. So you're going to divide by 5 to find out how many are in a group. And then your last one is to circle groups of 10. Okay, dividing by 10 at a time to tell me what your division sentence is. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at that. Make sure you're really clear in circling your groups and then filling out those number sentences for division. Once you've done that, we will then go through the answers. So make sure you've paused the video. Okay, let's go through the answers. So the first one, our main task, circle in their groups of 2. Make sure you have a pen to tick them off. We can see that we have 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. If we circled all of these groups of frogs, we would have 5 groups. Okay, the next one, if you divided it into groups of 2, you would have 3 groups of 2. And for 12, if you divided the 12 stars into groups of equal groups of 2, you would get 6. Okay. Okay, showing groups of 5. So I can see this array is 5 by 6. So if I show equal groups of 5, I should have, following my mouse, you can see we should have 6 groups of 5. Okay, hopefully you've circled 3 groups of 5 on this array of 15. And on here we should have 4 groups of 5 being circled across here. Okay, I'm going to leave that there for a second in case there's something you need to mark off or correct. And then circling to show groups of 10. We have 20, we're dividing by 10. So we are going to circle one group of 10, and then the bottom row, we are going to circle another group of 10. So there are two groups of 10. With the strawberries, yummy, yummy strawberries, we are going to circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10 for those yummy strawberries. Okay, so 50 divided by 10 equals 5. This was an array of 40 cupcakes, very lovely looking cupcakes. We're dividing by 10, so this is a column of 10, and we're going to circle each of those columns, so there should be 4 columns of 10. So 40 divided by 10 equals 4. Okay, you've worked really hard this morning. I'm now going to show you what your challenge is. So have a look at these tomatoes. The array shows 10 times 4 equals 40. I want to group these 40 tomatoes into groups of 5. Is this possible? And what would the division sentence be? So we have an array of 40, but we want to put them into smaller groups. They're at the moment, they're in one big array of 40. I want to put them into smaller groups of equal groups of 5. Is this possible? Yes or no? And then what would the division sentence be? Once you've had the go at that, please make sure you upload your Works Class Dojo. You have worked so hard over the last few weeks uploading everything, and it's really great to see all of your lovely work. So please continue to do that and have a lovely rest of your day.